How is AI changing finance? Imagine walking into the future of finance, a world where AI, artificial intelligence, is the new superstar. Gone are the days of endless paperwork, slow decision-making, and one-size-fits-all customer service in banks and financial institutions. AI is like a tech-savvy wizard transforming the finance industry with its smart and speedy solutions. Think of AI as a super smart buddy that helps banks and financial firms make better decisions, manage risks, and even keep an eye out for sneaky frauds. It's like having a financial Sherlock Holmes who can sift through mountains of data, spot patterns, and make predictions, all at lightning speed. Whether it's helping you invest wisely, approving loans faster, or offering tailored banking advice, AI is all about making things quicker, more personalized, and a lot more efficient. One of the coolest things AI does in finance is algorithmic trading. Imagine computers analyzing market trends and making stock trades in milliseconds, much faster than any human could. It's like a financial flash. Plus, AI is a great guard dog against fraud. It's constantly learning and adapting to detect any unusual activity that might spell trouble. But wait, it's not all rosy. With great power comes great responsibility, right? As much as AI is a game changer, it's not without its headaches. There's the tricky bit about making sure AI doesn't end up being biased. Just like humans, if AI isn't taught right, it might make unfair decisions. Security is another biggie. With so much data zipping around, keeping it safe from hackers is super important. And let's not forget, the finance world has a bunch of rules and regulations. AI needs to play by these rules, so banks don't get in trouble. The future of finance with AI is like a thrilling roller coaster, full of exciting possibilities, but with a few sharp turns and dips. It's about balancing the cool high-tech stuff with being responsible and fair. So buckle up. As we zoom into this AI-driven financial world, it's all about riding smartly and safely. Is AI a threat to finance? Let's dive into the world of finance, where AI is like a new powerful player on the team. It's got some amazing skills, but there are also a few areas where it needs to watch its step. Picture this: AI, with its super-fast brain and data-crunching abilities, is shaking up how banks and financial institutions do their thing. But here's the catch: it's not all smooth sailing. You see, some bigwigs in the finance world, like the Financial Stability Oversight Council, FSOC, are waving a yellow flag. They're calling AI an emerging vulnerability. Why? Well, think of AI as a really smart robot that sometimes makes decisions in mysterious ways, a bit like a magician who won't reveal his tricks. This can get tricky, especially when it comes to loans and stuff. If AI isn't careful, it might be unfairly biased without even realizing it. Then there's the whole issue of keeping people's data safe and sound. AI loves to munch on data, but in the wrong hands, this could lead to some serious privacy headaches. Plus, everyone wants to know how AI makes its decisions, so transparency is super important. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. AI has some pretty cool tricks up its sleeve that can make things safer and smoother in finance. It's like having a financial detective who's great at sniffing out fraud, helping manage risks, and giving personalized banking advice. AI can also take care of the boring, repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to do more creative stuff. So, what's the game plan? To keep AI's superhero status without the kryptonite, financial institutions need to play it smart. They've got to keep an eye on AI, making sure there's always a human in the loop. Regular checkups, feedback, and updates are key to keeping AI on the right track. Can AI take over finance? Think of AI as the ultimate assistant in finance, one that never gets tired. It's great at crunching numbers, sifting through mountains of data, and handling those repetitive tasks that can make office life a bit of a drag. But there's a twist. While AI is super efficient, it doesn't quite get the nuances that humans do. Things like intuition, creativity, and understanding the bigger picture. This is where the magic of teamwork comes into play. Humans, with their knack for judgment, creativity, and understanding complex contexts, complement AI's data prowess. Together, they're like a dream team. AI takes care of the grunt work, while human professionals can dive into more strategic and creative aspects of their jobs. Imagine a financial analyst working with AI. The AI sifts through heaps of financial data at lightning speed, something that would take humans ages to do. The analyst then uses this information, along with their industry knowledge and experience, to make smart, well-informed decisions. In this collaborative environment, companies are seeing some pretty impressive results. Productivity is going through the roof, and operational costs are diving. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI is like a turbo boost for human cognitive skills and creativity, liberating people from mundane tasks and helping them to achieve more. This synergy between AI and humans in finance is reshaping how businesses interact with their employees, customers, and the wider world. It's leading to better decision-making and a more dynamic, responsive approach to finance. As AI continues to evolve, this partnership is set to become even more integral to the industry, shaping the future of finance in exciting new ways. Why is AI the future of finance? As we navigate through the ever-evolving landscape of finance, AI is like having a super efficient robot sidekick, taking on the more routine and repetitive tasks with ease. Think of tasks like number crunching in accounting, sifting through financial data, or even handling customer service queries. AI's got this covered. However, it's not all about AI running the show. There's a crucial role for human touch and expertise. For those tricky tasks that need a bit of human flair, like making decisions that require a dash of subjective judgment, critical thinking, or building relationships, humans are irreplaceable. It's a bit like having a seasoned chef in a high-tech kitchen. The machines do the heavy lifting, but the chef brings finesse and creativity. Now, it's true that with AI stepping in, some jobs might take a back seat. But just like when the internet arrived and changed the way we work, AI's not just about closing doors, it's about opening new ones. As some roles evolve or fade away, new opportunities are popping up, especially in areas where human skills are key. It's a call to action for individuals and organizations to brush up on new skills and get ready for this AI-powered future. Speaking of the future, AI in finance is not just a fleeting trend. It's here for the long haul. Its ability to scale up operations, analyze heaps of data like a pro, and adapt to new challenges makes it a powerhouse in the financial world. It's like having a financial superhero with a supercomputer for a brain, ready to take on the complex challenges of the modern financial world. AI is like a financial wizard, bringing a whole host of long-term perks to the finance world. It's changing the game in ways we've only dreamed of before. Think of it as having a super smart assistant who never sleeps, constantly crunching numbers, spotting trends, and sniffing out frauds. One of the coolest things about AI in finance is how it makes operations smoother and more efficient. It's like having a financial detective who's always on the case, sifting through mountains of data in no time. This means businesses can get real-time reports and make snappy, well-informed decisions. Plus, it's a cost-cutter dream. Automating a bunch of tasks, it saves time and money. Scalability is where AI flexes its muscles. It can handle enormous amounts of data. We're talking big data, without breaking a sweat. This is a game changer for businesses. They can now automate those mind-numbing, repetitive tasks and focus on the bigger picture. It's like having a financial crystal ball, making predictions and forecasts based on past data, and helping businesses stay one step ahead. And then there's AI's adaptability. It's like a chameleon, fitting perfectly into different areas of finance. A prime example is in banks and lenders, where AI-powered tools are revolutionizing how documents are processed. Gone are the days of drowning in paperwork. AI steps in, sorts, and verifies documents at lightning speed, boosts efficiency, and slashes the time and error rates. It's like having a super efficient, error-proof intern who never takes a coffee break.